So let me first briefly recall summarize what I accomplished yesterday. So we were considering. The big topic is quantization of connection of diffeomorphism invariant theories of connections. And we considered on some manifold sigma, we considered a space of connections. So connections were denoted by n, have this cylindrical and to define an integral. Actually, first I told you that there exists integral, but then I gave you the by those integral is diffeomorphism. We introduced. So we took for the Hilbert space in the of a different way to this the subnormal, whether we use doing this, but these are we also introduced because it's a group element, so we need some put this under the action of the representation, but we have for got replaced by. Okay, so these are our achievements, and let us discuss. So actually, you could go on with this framework, and some more framework which introduce some more framework, but symmetries, which means it's acting in unitary way in our. We could consider all the diffeomorphisms, but then we would encounter some. Briefly speaking, piecewise analytic. We have. They don't have to be extended globally, and. To diffeomorphism, the unitary operator objects by some lines to transforming those diffeomorphically those lines. So so here the action would pass to right. So I could say just to so now the action of our so here is with respect to suitably transformed. Okay, now and I mean the p variable is transformed into by this duality. I mean flipping this like here. So this is gauge. So sometimes we call it if of a curve as transformed suitably. Again, here we are a little sloppy because I'm not sure you can do all those operations directly on a group. Similarly, our flux in suitable. So we can. So I should actually now and but probably this is. So if we here now add heads, then this will be as I said a nice So somehow oh, and there was one more conclusion from the last lecture, that actually we can set of given by this star, but with this fixed, okay, and this also, there is associated space which is sub and is maybe however they can because somehow overlap big so for every two, so statement is that for every two subs a bigger one, which but so let me oh yes so yes so yes so actually so we can consider it as so there's this difference between algebraic spin network. Okay, example. So given and we at every node and 5 and 4 some other representation. So okay. So maybe I should say that work like we now have we can define from this product of those so of given indices. Whether this representation, it's just it's amounts and renaming it 3m. what are and we can this of row is the same for this tensors that but there may be in some cases there may be more. I mean there may be so